Good afternoon, traders. This is Tony D from the easyMarkets dealing room in Sydney. I've got an update for you today. It is going to be a relatively quiet day on the data front because there is a bank holiday in the UK and in the US, but that doesn't mean the market won't move. The news cycle on the weekend was positive. President of Italy has declined to accept the new finance minister, who's a Salvano, who's a Eurosceptic. That's led to a pop high in the euro and a bit of a continuation here in Asia. We've from the close of 116.50, we're now up to 117.17. Going into the European session on the front foot, has to get past around 117.50 for the short-term downside pressure to be relieved. But this is the first setting where you can see the potential for that euro to take out some of those previous highs. It's been a long time, a few weeks now, and since we've taken out previous highs on the daily, and now it's the market was very oversold in general as well. The pound as well is joining the euro in a little bit of a squeeze higher so far in the Asian session. Up to you how you play it in terms of, do you want to sell into the rally early or late? You will get opportunities to play both sides, I suspect, today given the news. Dollar yen is under a little bit of pressure, not so much so because of the US dollar weakness. Also a little concern that the Abe is going to call another snap election. A little bit of uncertainty there, meaning that the initial rally which happened on North Korea news that Trump and North Korea are going to have a meeting again, that's back on supposedly. It couldn't hold those gains, so a little bit too mixed there, along with the little bit of US dollar weakness driven by that euro there. Aussie dollar's grinding higher, looking to retest that 75.80 to 76 resistance. Above that you do have the previous big support, which is a 76.40. That can hold in the short term. Then you will see Aussie dollar a little bit more capped, but in the very today, tomorrow, it will follow the euro's direction in general for that US dollar strength and weakness. Gold's a little bit more mixed. Some of the safe haven buying last week on Trump cancelling the EU, so North Korea summit has unwound, but you do have the US dollar on the weak footing as well. So a little bit here, neither here nor there when it comes to this pair. If you are looking for something which has a bit more straight up story behind it, then you'd be looking at something like the CAD. The CAD is getting wrecked here, and the reason why is that oil has almost capitulated after multi-month rally. Up to $80 on Brent. You see that the oil market is under tremendous pressure today, and this was after heavy falls on Friday. This is the rumors have been confirmed. What's happening? OPEC and Russia have had a meeting where they've planned to increase the production of oil by 1 million barrels, and that was sort of the main driver of the market, underpinning the market, that OPEC was keeping to supply cuts. And now that they've turned on the taps again, then oil always had that potential to fall sharply, and that's leading through to the dollar CAD, which has that relationship to oil. Back up testing that 130. 130 breaks, you do have a little bit more topside. Perhaps not against the US dollar, which is on the back foot as well, but if you are playing the CAD crosses, there's definitely some movement happening there. The one that makes the most headline risk, or the most headline sense, is the Euro CAD, and you can see it's up around about 200 pips since Friday. All right, guys. If you have any questions about the crosses, or you want to have a chat about further how to enter the market when it does do reversals like this, please come through on the contact details below, or you can sign up if you're not a member of the easyMarkets dealing room. Sign up an account and you'll be assigned a dealer like myself to assist you.